In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete an invoice in Zoho Books. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. By the end, you'll be able to confidently remove an invoice you no longer need from your Zoho Books account. First, open your web browser and go to bookszoho.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoho account, especially if you manage more than one organization. Once you're logged in, you should land on the Zoho Books dashboard where you can see an overview of your business finances. From here, you'll want to move into the section where all your sales-related transactions are organized. Look along the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to find the sales area that contains your invoices. In that left menu, find and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups together things like invoices, estimates, and other sales documents. After you click Sales, the page will update to show you different subsections under your sales transactions. One of these options will be Invoices. I'm going to walk you through how to open the invoice list from here. Simply click on Invoices. This will take you to a detailed list of all the invoices you've created in Zoho Books for that organization. On the Invoices page, take a moment to review what you're seeing. You'll usually have columns for the invoice number, customer name, date, due date, status, and amount. Before deleting anything, it's a good idea to double check that you're working with the correct invoice, especially if there are several that look similar. You might want to use the search bar or any available filters at the top of the list to narrow down the results, for example, by customer name or invoice number. Once you've located the specific invoice you want to delete, look to the far left of that row. You'll see a small checkbox next to the invoice. Click that checkbox to select the invoice. Selecting it tells Zoho Books which item you intend to take action on. If you accidentally select the wrong one, you can simply uncheck it and choose the correct invoice instead. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right invoice, because deleting it will remove it from your list. With the invoice selected, a set of action buttons will appear, usually above the list of invoices. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Delete. I'll show you the easiest way to complete the process from here. Click the Delete button. Zoho Books may prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete this invoice. This is a safety step to help prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully. If you're certain this is the invoice you want to remove and you understand that it will no longer appear in your active invoice list, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the page will refresh and the invoice should disappear from the list. That's all there is to it. You've now deleted an invoice in Zoho Books by going to books.zoho.com, opening the sales section, navigating to invoices, selecting the invoice with the checkbox, and clicking delete.